Lot number 1615 is a 2006 CCC Garbage Truck. This one has 133,000 miles. I'm unsure of the diesel motor. All this information will be updated on the truck's information list. Motor sounds good, but I drove it back here and it started smoking. I don't know if there's an oil leak. I need to talk to the mechanics and get a little more detail on this truck. The shop is closed at this time, but I want to shoot the video since I have it up and running. Any conversations I have with the shop, I will add the notes. So make sure you read all the notes and my comments. The body looks straight, the paint looks fair. This is a 2006. It appears to be in working condition. It's been stopped for a while. Starts right up, batteries are good. This department got a new fleet of trucks and that's why they're getting rid of these. The decals have been removed. AC is cold. I'll rev up the engine for you. This looks oily. Once the motor got warm, it started smoking. So there must be some oil leaking somewhere. Again, I'll talk to the mechanics tomorrow and I'll update the information on this post. The interior shows wear. The driver's seat looks good. The middle bench is torn. There's a corner seat over there. And the passenger seat is missing. The base is rusted through. AC is cold back here. It's got this, I don't know if it's an aftermarket AC unit, but that's the AC that's blowing cold. Nothing's coming from the dashboard. It's got the Allison transmission and gauges. I'll show you the miles. I guess that's a check engine light up there. I'm gonna talk to the mechanics tomorrow and I'll update any information that they give me on this truck. All right, there it is. Let me rev it up. Motor sounds good. Keep an eye out for the updates. This is lot number 1615, 2006 CCC. Good luck.